Out here at Lost Lake, up in the Unitas, getting ready. Jordan's got his first hole, checking the depth on the ice. What do we got?
Inches.
9 inches. Beautiful sunrise. Hoping to catch some good fish. Out here catching fish with Jordan. He's got more than me. Pretty good natural rainbow trout on the D2 Marabou. Gotta love it out here. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Jordan, the nice broodstock brookie, planner at least. Got a good setup going on in here. Woo! All right, we're on video. Nice brookie. Beautiful color to him. I'm gonna get us a release video.
Your hole?
There you go. Beautiful. A lot of good color on this bow here. A lot of good color on this bow we got here. Beautiful fish. Oh, come on now. Play nice. Jordan's got his third broodstock brookie of the day. Craziness. All right, well, that'll do for the day. Good trip. Lots of bows. A few tigers, few brooks. Overall, absolutely killer day.